Hi, Abby. Excuse me, Sadie. I can't see through you. Go lay down. Where's your baby? Where's your baby? There she is. Abby, where are you? There you are. There's too many doggies. Too many doggies. You're too little, huh? You're too little, huh? Here she is. Tanner, why don't you move, Bubby? Fat boy. Abby. Yeah, you gonna crawl for me? Alright, Tanner, scoot. Scoot. Oh, you're so huge. What are you doing? What are you doing? There's your Sadie. Here's your doggy. There's your doggy. You gonna get her?
Yeah.
It's the zoo.
Tana, what are you eating over there? There's nothing over there you need.
Get your doggy. Are you gonna crawl for us? No. Pretty. Pretty. You're silly. What are you doing? Hi. Here comes Tanner. Watch out. Hey.